So let us look at a very simple program where we are supposed to read an input from the user and check whether it is an integer number or not. The solution we will look in this video would be of parseInt function, which is a numeric function available in JavaScript. So first thing what we'll try to do is convert the whole string into a number using the number method. So let me convert A into a number and store it in B. Parallelly, I'm going to use in the parseInt function, which performs the process of parsing the string and extracting only the integer part if it is in the beginning of the string. And the parsing process stops as soon as it comes across a non-integer character. So I will apply the parseInt on A. So C should also contain a number if at all it was able to parse out an integer, and B should contain the whole string converted into a number. Now what we want is that the original input should be a integer number, which means the values of B and C should be the same, and that would be the final decision making statement. If the value of B and C are same, then the input will be an integer, otherwise we would end up informing input is not an integer. Okay, so the whole string that you enter, if it is an integer number, then output will come as input is an integer. But if it is containing anything which is non-numeric, or if it is containing a floating point number, then the number conversion and the parseInt conversion would not match. Let us check out. So I'm going to put in a number like 123. So it is an integer number with a minus sign. It is still an integer number with a fractional section added. It says it is not an integer number. If I add in some character anywhere, it would say it is not an integer number. So my comparison here is the whole string is converted into a number and stored in B, which will not occur because A is not a numeric character. And then when you apply the parseInt, it would be able to extract only minus 12. So even if I had entered say minus 123.45, then B would contain minus 123.45, whereas C would contain only minus 123. So minus 123 is not equal to minus 123.45. And that is the whole catch with the parseInt. It parses the string as long as it finds valid integer characters, and it will stop when it comes across the first non-integer character. Whereas in the number conversion, it will try to convert the whole string into a number if it is possible. With even one non-numeric character, it will not be able to convert, and it will convert it into a special value, which is the NaN. So NaN will not match the parseInt value in any ways. So you will end up getting input is not an integer. So for all the other inputs except for the integer inputs in the text box, you will get the output input is not an integer. Try this definition, and in the next video I'm going to show you one more solution to the same definition.